So far we have seen all the three kind of Fourier series representation: trigonometric Fourier series representation, cosine Fourier series representation, and exponential Fourier series representation. Let's have some relation among three representations, one in terms of another. Let trigonometric Fourier series from exponential Fourier series. I want to represent trigonometric Fourier series Fourier coefficient in terms of exponential Fourier series Fourier coefficients. For that, consider the x of t periodic signal over the interval from t0 to t0 plus t and write the trigonometric Fourier series expansion formula, which is equation number 1, and write the exponential Fourier series expansion, equation number 2. Now expand the equation number 2 for the various n values. N is equal to 0, C0, n is equal to 1, C1 e j omega naught t plus n is equal to C2 e j omega naught t and so on, plus even it will take the negative values of n also. For n is equal to minus 1, C minus 1 e power minus j omega naught t plus C minus 2 e power minus j 2 omega naught t and so on. Now use the Euler's identity. You know the Euler's identity, e power j theta can be expressed as cos theta plus j sin theta, e power minus j theta will be cos theta minus j sin theta. Use that. C0 plus C1 cos omega naught t plus j sin omega naught t, and second C2 cos 2 omega naught t plus j sin 2 omega naught t plus and so on plus C minus 1 cos omega naught t minus j sin omega naught t plus C minus 2 cos 2 omega naught t minus j sin 2 omega naught t plus and so on. This is the expansion of the second equation for the various n values, and I applied the Euler's identity. Now C0, take common cos omega naught t from the entire expression. Cos omega naught t is common. Cos omega naught t is common from here. Then what will be there? C1 plus C minus 1. Similarly, take the common sin omega naught t, and then what will be there? J also common, that is j of C1 minus of C minus 1, like that. Take cos 2 omega naught t also common, C1 plus C minus 2, like that. Take the all related common terms. Then now compare 1 and 3. Then compare equation 1 and equation 3. Then that is A0 is equal to C0 first term. Then at the place of an what you have? An is equal to Cn plus C minus n, and at the place of Bn what you have? Bn is equal to J Cn minus of C minus n. This is the relation among one Fourier series in terms of another Fourier series. Now the next relation is EFS from TFS. For that you require the exponential Fourier series coefficient formula. I have written Cn is equal to 1 by t. Now 1 by t integral over t0 to t0 plus t x of t. Again use the Euler's identity. Cos n omega naught t minus j sin n omega naught t dt, and this 1 by t is overall. Now expand the integration. 1 by t integral over t0 to t0 plus t x of t cos n omega naught t minus j 1 by t integral over d naught to t naught plus t x of t sin n omega naught t dt. Simply I have expanded the integration along with the 1 by t. Then did you see this Fourier coefficient formula anywhere? Yes, it's obvious. It looks like trigonometric Fourier coefficient, but here 2 is missing. Arrange the 2. Here 2 is missing, so arrange the 2 for the 2 terms. Arrange the 2. The numerator 2, and here also we have to arrange 1 2. Then this is the formula of an, and similarly this is the formula for bn. Then that is 1 by 2 an minus bn is the final expression, which is cn in terms of trigonometric Fourier coefficient. Similarly, write for c minus n. C minus n, replace n by minus n simply. That means here n will be replaced by minus e power jn omega naught t. Then this will be e power j theta cos theta plus j sin theta. And even in the middle also you get the plus. Finally you get c minus n is equal to 1 by 2 an plus j bn is a relation for c minus n. For c naught, simply substitute n is equal to 0 in the cn formula. C naught, that is 1 by t integral over t naught to t naught plus t x of t, where n is equal to 0 means e power 0, which is 1. That is same as your a naught. C naught is equal to a naught. The two relations over. Now the final relation, we have to get cosine Fourier series from the exponential Fourier series. That means a naught and an term, it has to be represented in terms of cn. And you know a naught, the DC value you got for a naught even in the trigonometric Fourier series and even for the exponential Fourier series. Remember this carefully. A naught is equal to a naught, capital A naught cosine, small a naught trigonometry, small c naught will be the exponential Fourier coefficient. And you know this relation from the cosine Fourier series, please refer to the video which is alternative form of cosine Fourier series. There we have discussed. This is one arrangement for nothing but the relation between the cosine Fourier series and the trigonometric Fourier series, because cosine Fourier series is not a new Fourier series, which is an alternative form of the trigonometric Fourier series only. Then substitute the an relation. Just now you got this relation. First one, cn plus c minus n whole square, and bn j cn c minus n whole square, and even for this j also included. Then a minus b whole square formula, cn square plus c minus n whole square, 2cn and c minus n. J square means what will be the value j square, which is minus 1, minus of the a minus b whole square formula, cn square plus c minus n l square minus 2cn c minus n, and for whole root then cn square c minus n square plus 2cn c minus n, this minus inside the braces, which is c minus cn square minus c minus n square minus into minus plus 2cn c minus n, and which terms going to be cancelled? Check. Cn square c minus n square, and 2 times of 4cn and c minus n, that will be 2cn and c minus n. Okay, at this you can write cn formula once again. 1 by t integral over t naught to t naught plus t x of t e power minus jn omega naught t dt. Isn't it? It is a cn formula. Once I want to make it as a complex conjugate for this. What will happen? Complex conjugate of cn. Then simply because x of t is a signal, only the complex conjugate will be applicable only for the complex signals. Then minus j will become plus j. This is nothing but c minus n, right? From this you can give the relation. You can give the relation c minus n is equal to cn star.